a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
So the format of today's video is gonna be a little different than what you guys are used to. I'm just trying out new things, just trying to see how it works, you know what I mean? So today's format, like I said, will be a little different. Before I get into today's video, I wanna say, if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent, honey, okay? It is free 99, all right? And also, if you like this video, I feel like you just like me, honey, click that like button, okay? Click it, girl, okay? Click that button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. Now let's get into this video. Okay, honey, so don't fret. I'm still show you guys me installing this unit, but I have decided to just kind of show you guys the clips as I talk. That way the video won't be as long. This was something that Kristen actually suggested to me a while back, and now I want to implement it. So we're gonna do it like that. So first of all, I want to say this unit was sent to me by UNiceHair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. I also appreciate all the goodies that you had in the bag, honey. Okay, you had your girl some goodies, and I appreciate that. Okay, your girl loves some goodies. I just do. I love the goodies. Okay, no Sierra. Okay, y'all, so with this particular wig, this unit did come with a total of 3 combs. There were 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. This unit is a 13x4 frontal wig, and I feel like I've been doing a lot of units that's this color, that's this, you know, texture and all of that. I guess it's just the fall season, honey, okay? It's just the fall season, and I'm just feeling these sorts of colors. I'm feeling the gingers and the auburn colors. It just does something to me. Now with this unit, if I'm not mistaken, it is transparent lace. And I'm just gonna go on here and see what the details and specs were. Okay, so because they didn't send me a link, honey, I hope I'm clicking on the right wig, child. So they have on here, it says Unice Ginger Orange Body Wave Fall Color Human Hair Wig. And it says lace part, but as you guys can see, this unit is a 13x4. So even though that is in the freaking name of the unit, that the unit is actually can also, you can get it in a lace part, but I have it in 13x4, so you have options, child. The length available is 14 to 24 inches. I'm honestly not 100% sure what length they sent me. I want to say that this unit is probably about 24 inches, but that is purely me guesstimating. I am not 100% sure because they didn't send that to me. And it is 150% density, and it looks like that's the only density that this unit comes in. But as you guys can see, it's a little thicker, on the thicker side, honey. Okay, she's a little thick. So that is always a plus as well. I did do the ball cap method with this wig, but I was struggling a little bit, girl. I could not find my lace glue, like my glue, child. Okay, I've been using the even lace glue, and I think I've just gotten used to using it. That now I'm like, girl, how you do it? Child, I was a mess. So it wasn't the wig. It would have been super, super easy to apply had I just used. It would have been super easy to apply if I had my glue, but I don't know where it is. It just completely disappeared. So I ended up using my bedhead spray instead, which it got the job done, and it's fine because I'll only be wearing this wig today and tomorrow, and then I have another video to film, so that wasn't a huge issue. I also did decide to cut layers in the wig, like I always do that, to just kind of frame my face. I feel like units look better and more full if it's slightly layered. Now, honey, I'm nobody's beautician. Okay, if you watch me, you know I ain't nobody's beautician, but I do like to put me a little layer in here, honey, okay? And I feel like when you're doing layers with curly or wavy hair, it is really, really easy to do, and you don't have to be an expert when it comes to that. So, obviously, also, this wig is a body wave texture. The texture of it is really, really wavy. You guys know, if you watch me, I'm always going to add me some curls, honey. Okay, when it's a body wave unit, usually I add a few curls to it, which is what I did. And I also did use my Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast Spray as well on this unit when I curled it up to get it to be a little more full, because I like, you know, kind of full hair, that kind of flowy sort of feel. That is kind of like the look that I always go for. Now this unit did, in my opinion, come pre-tweezed. Like, honey, she woke up like this. Okay, she woke up like this. I ain't have to do no extra. Like, as you guys can see, like, with styling it was super, super easy. Like, the hardest thing to do was putting old girl on. And that was because of me. As far as the lace, I feel like the lace is the standard lace that you get with units that are like Russian Blonde or 613 and stuff like that. So it's your typical standard lace. Like, it melts in, to me, that particular lace that comes with your 613 units and units this color, they blend better for me. I know some people will say, you know, that they struggle with it, but I typically really like this sort of lace. I don't have the same struggles that I have like with other, you know, other like brown lace. So yeah, I really like that with this wig. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I have not noticed any. That's not to say that old girl won't do any of the things at some point in her life. But straight out of the packaging, old girl is not doing any of the things. And shout out to you, honey. Okay, shout out to you for no shedding, no tangling. And as far as it being big head friendly, because I think this unit comes in a standard cap size. So as far as it being big head friendly, I personally feel like it is, because I had to adjust the straps, but I have an average cap size. So if I have to adjust the straps, then I assume that a unit is big head friendly. Like, I only have one head and I can only go off what my head is, okay? So that's purely speculation, honey. Do with that what you want to do with that, girl. Do with that what you want to do with it. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about this unit as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Obviously, I am feeling these types of units. It's just my swag these days, honey. It's just what she likes, okay? I really, really love these sort of wigs. I just feel like the color is just phenomenal. I always, when I wear wigs like this, like, I want to have faux freckles, okay? Like, I have, like, I don't know if I said it or not. I have a cousin who has hair like this color and she has freckles, and I just think that's so pretty. So every time I put on this color, I want freckles, child. But I don't really know how to do them and make them look decent. So we ain't gonna go there, okay? We ain't gonna do that. But yeah, I am really feeling the wig. I think the wig is absolutely gorgeous. I literally have no issues with it whatsoever. Like, I feel like they did this. I feel like I had this unit, but it was a lace part wig, so it's the lace part version. And now I got the 13x4 version. And honestly, I love them both. I think they're gorgeous, gorgeous units. Now, granted, the lace part one was a lot easier to style, but I love them. I think it is absolute perfection, honey. Like, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you like this style of video better down below. I am really interested in getting you guys' take. I may try a bunch of different other things. Let me know down below. Give me some suggestions. You guys know I don't mind the suggestions whatsoever, honey. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check, and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Keep in mind, you guys, I am 5'4", so I'm not the tallest person in the world. So, like I said, I think the unit is probably about 24 inches that I am wearing. But all of those details and specs should be listed down below in the description box for your convenience. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. And if you are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms. I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.